Hello, friends. It's Giuliano. It's 19th May again. Yeah. How you doing? You calm and relaxed amidst this firestorm, this whipsaw? Are you buckled in? You still with us? I hope so. That's what they call the grip of the diamond hands. It's about holding on to that metaphorical strap or structure so you can stay on for this ride. What an incredible ride. And we all, no, I shouldn't speak like this. So I've expected moves like this, and here we have it. Now, of course, in true fashion, it has been even greater than I could have imagined. Even greater than I could have imagined. So here we'll definitely look at the Bitcoin chart, but I wanted to remind us of the volatility of crypto and look how this living art has evolved here. This, which previously was just a dump down, has now shown us really the whipsaw tooth, sharp tooth V, sharp V correction pattern up and down of crypto. The volatility of crypto in a down to up move and an up to down move. It is there, and if you don't hold on tight and get off when you need to and get on when you need to, you could definitely be jerked around a bit too much for your liking. So stay in a good position there. Keep those hands gripped and strong. Look at this. Yes, look at this colorful rainbow up top here, and down below, look at this amazing, do you see it? Incredible. Can you believe it? Candle. Let's just do a little analysis. Look at this candle, friends. Oh my goodness gracious. I mean, this will be talked about for time to come. There are some major institutions who they just got so in here. Who got out here? Who? Oh, people, what did you just do? Look at the span of this candle. It takes all of this action. My goodness, Bitcoin friends. Friends of Bitcoin, you are so energized right now to just take it on. Forget none of this sideways action. Forget you. Let us see. I mean, yes, possibly sideways action, but because we've had our big dump and back up, fine. Maybe sideways action. We'll check the 4-hour cloud on that. But as a line chart, this thing just shows you, bang, yes, still volatility. And yes, we are supporting at the top of this whole rectangular structure. And yes, who knows what space will take in the coming days at the end of May, 10 days, and the beginning of June. Let's see, interesting times. It is beautiful. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for hitting up the like button. Thanks for commenting and sharing and checking out the t-shirt store. If you haven't grabbed anything yet, you want to grab some Pirate and Komodo. So far we've got there. More to come. Yeah, wow, look at this. All right, well, that's where we are with this. I mean, we could go anywhere within here, but look at this support from the candle on the daily. Bam. I mean, what else do you want? Let's just quickly view where we're going to go. Yeah, this, I imagine, is going to turn up. Okay. Yes, clear out that RSI on the daily. We are ready to go back up. When was the last time? That was back in March of 2020. So what do you think, folks? Look, and there's even still room to go down. So don't think that it's just a one-day affair. Let's see how it plays out. But, not trying to get in and out all at one time is probably safer for you. None of this is financial advice. Look at this big movement on the MACD here. So compared to previously, and now we're all the way down here. Oh, we are just setting up for a huge move to the upside on the daily chart, in my opinion, over time. Maybe not even in the end of this month, but maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Let's look at this 4-hour signal here. Yeah, so what are we doing here? 4-hour chart, we have definitely bumped down below the cloud here. And where are we? Where are we going? Are we going to bounce back up and cross it and go the other way? Let's see. All right, what about the week? Bitcoin. How are we doing? Weekly, we've just dumped below the important support candles of the 20 moving and 21 exponential moving averages. We've just started negative histogram action. We've just started coming down. So maybe we're just going to need a lot of sideways action here to support the lagging indicators, let them come down a bit and chop sideways a bit. And maybe this is going to be a sideways grind and a grind through this rainbow before seeing new clear skies for sure. Fine. But look at this up and down move within one weekly candle that is all attributed to this one day. Yeah, so incredible. Okay, glad to be here. I don't really have too much more to say. Friends of Ichimoku will remind you that we have this cloud coming up here. And Friends of Bollinger will say, look, it touched. Friends of Bollinger Bands will tell you, look how it touched the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So I think it was too strong down here to maintain it, the price down here. So, but who knows? Look, we're still within the same week and it could still come down. There are still more days to go. Yes, Wednesday dump day, but Friday could be, oof. Friday can definitely be the end to a bad week. A bad end to a bad week can be on Fridays, right? I mean, at least, but crypto's 24/7. So, hey, you don't get no respite. When you're going to get beat the F down, that's what's happening. So you just need to be padded up, ready to go. And yeah, we've got this nice cloud action to support. We've got this Bollinger Band support down here. Now we're going to work our way to try and regain some ground, but it's okay. Sideways and forward, no problem. Over here is already July. So we don't know what's going to look like. And yeah, volatility wise, who's to say we're not going to dump down to the 20s now? All right. So let's just watch it happen. Here's one weekly candle down, two weekly candle down. Maybe we get a third within this region still, and boom, done. All right. So that's the weekly outlook for the BCT chart against US. Boom. Amazing. Oh, and monthly. Yes, we want to just remind you that on a monthly scale, we're just nice. We've nicely entered the Bollinger Band. So friends of John Bollinger, on a monthly level now, we are coming in, and watch out for the support region here at the 25,000 level. Could be contest even 20, but that's a monthly scale. So let's hope we don't have that much weakness on the monthly. Okay, here we go. Cheers to onward and upward. Okay, keep your peace. All right. Maintain that love and happiness. On a monthly scale, we're looking great. And this is 120,000 right here. So yeah, in terms of actually, let's just take some percentages and I think we're done. We're just going to make this a Bitcoin chart today because today's a special Bitcoin day. So the body of the candle is 35% on the month, and with the wick we've got 48. Now that's all incredible. Okay, so that's on the month. And then on the week, we've got a negative for the last week was a negative 20 to 25%-ish, depending on, whether you're counting bodies or wicks. And then, wow, 35% slash here is like a 15 to 20%, we can just argue. So let's look at that daily. Wow, Bitcoin, huh, you are the granddaddy. Look at this monster. So right now the candle is roughly 10, 15% down, oscillating. We're at like the 11% range-ish. And then, oh, wow, a 30%. You guys, oh, clear out those weekends. Oh yes, and here we sit below this candle on a daily level. So we are like, let's see, what are we gonna do? Is this just such a monster that is gonna pass through the cloud up right away? Like this, or is it more like this? Let's find out. Okay, we could kind of go kind of diagonally and up and down and whatever, but here we are. Or this, I guess, there's still time, but there tends to be a lot of V action in the crypto when we're in bull markets and there's big ass dumps like this, and that's what you see even just with this candle. If you look at it on a smaller level, like if we go to a 1 hour frame, and this kind of action. Okay, that's huge. This is amazing. All right, but even on a 1 hour, you're still below the cloud. But maybe by, you know, tomorrow, next day, there's more strength. We'll see. Yeah, all right, friends, stay with us, okay? Otherwise, by then we'll know, because yeah, we'll be trying to struggle too much to get past the 35 and 32, and then by May, end of May into June. Oof. But for now, you know, here we are, May 2021, May 2021, 22 over here on the 1 hour frame. Looks like will be some resistance. Anyway, okay, well, that's about it. We're looking like this reverse action. Some good times. I'm talking to everyone. All right, love, peace, happiness, and that's about it for now. Interesting day today, May 19th.